Activity. Today's English activity focused on environmental awareness. Students explored key environmental issues and sorted flashcards into recycle, reuse and reduce categories. This hands-on approach helped them to understand the importance of sustainable practices. After the sorting activity, they completed worksheets to reinforce their learning and discuss ways to make a positive impact. Through this lesson, students learned how small actions can contribute to a healthier planet. Let's keep pushing for a greener future. It says here that we should reduce electricity. Does anyone know what that means? Do you know, Payne? Can you tell me what it means? So, I'll give you an example. So, to reduce the electricity that we use, we should turn the aircon off when we leave the room. And we should turn the lights off when we leave the room to save energy and reduce electricity. Yeah. So, another thing that we should reduce is water. Water. So, who brushes their teeth in the morning? Put your hand up if you brush your teeth. Okay. Now, when you brush your teeth, do you leave the water on when you're brushing your teeth? Is the water? No? Good. Yes, that's exactly right. Water pollution, and I'm going to get to that. So, what happens? We can reduce water by, when we're brushing our teeth, we can turn the water off. Yes? And then when we need it, we can turn it on for a little bit and then turn it off again. Yeah? So, we can also reduce the amount of fuel. Can you say fuel? Fuel. Can you say fossil fuel? Fossil fuel. So, we can reduce that by travelling, by walking, and by riding a bike. Yeah? Yeah. Instead of driving, we can walk. I know it's very hot in Thailand.